Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this new Northmiss electric knife sharpener. Go ahead and tell you all about it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. My wife and I like to cook, and we haven't actually had our knives sharpened in years, probably. We actually used to have a close by butcher who we would take stuff to, and they would go ahead and sharpen. They would charge us for it. We don't do that anymore. Now we're going to be using this electric knife sharpener because it works really, really well. I'm going to kind of tell you all the features of it, but we have been impressed so far. So a couple quick things. One, this is all there is to it. It's very small. It's nice and compact. You could leave it on your countertop if you wanted to. We will probably just kind of pull it out, use it, and then put it away. But it is small enough and compact enough to be used on a countertop. Two, there are actually two kind of areas to go ahead and pull your knife through. There's a crude sharpening stone. And the way it works is there's a little stone in there, it spins, and you're going to run your knife against that stone to kind of sharpen the blade. And there's a fine sharpening stone. It's a little different stone in there. Same thing, after you do the crude side to kind of get the whole knife nice and straight and sharp, you want to use the fine side to go ahead and kind of refine it down to the sharpest it can possibly be. I'll show you how to do that. There is a power button on it here. There's a power cord that comes out and it kind of runs into the wall outlet. I'll show you how it works. Now, here's another really nice feature. There's a little QR code for instructions. That's really helpful. And then it has suction cups. You say, why do you want suction cups? Here's why. When you put this thing on your countertop and you're pulling your knife through it, you don't want it to slide. You need it to be nice and secure. These suction cups, as silly as they look, they have really, really been very, very helpful. So you put it down, suction it to your countertop, and you can pull your knives through without it sliding or moving at all. That means sharper knives without any errors. Again, if you're new to knife sharpening, don't worry. There's a giant instruction manual that tells you all the different do's and don'ts with it. And even has some kind of general instructions for sharp knives, dull knives, thick knives, thin knives, how you want to go ahead and pull them. Typically, you're going to go ahead and pull it through between 2 to 5 and 5 to 10 times, alternate ways, kind of pull it back and forth, depending upon how sharp your knife already is. And you're going to sharpen first crude, then fine. And again, it kind of tells you all those instructions in here. It is full color. All the highlighting, it comes with the instructions. I didn't highlight it myself. There's a little bit of, what happens if things go wrong, how to fix it. It's got a whole bunch of stuff in here, but that manual comes with it, and that's actually been pretty useful to kind of get you started. That and the QR code on it, you won't have any problem. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and use a chef knife and go ahead and sharpen it. I already sharpened this once earlier last week when I was playing around with it and just kind of testing it out. It works really well. I've used this a lot this week, so it's probably ready for another quick sharpen, so I'll show you how it works. So here we go. We are set up. We are plugged in. And it's actually plugged into the wall. There's a little power outlet. You can see it's a blue light, meaning it's got power. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn this on in a moment. I like the fact that it has little instructions here, just kind of remind you of the angle to put this in. Yes, the angle should go along the angle of the plastic that kind of just run it against the edges here. This is perfectly. You don't want to go straight down. And then you have an arrow for pulling it forward. You don't want to push your knife. You want to pull it backwards towards you. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and I'm going to do three on each, 3 crude and then 3 fine, and you want to do alternating. So you got to go 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and that will get it nice and sharp. And then the fine will kind of clean off all the burrs of your knife. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. We'll kind of clean the whole thing off. It's a little bit noisy, but any kind of a grinding stone is. But I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and you'll see that's not too bad. Now I'm going to take my knife. Make sure it's right there in the right angle. There's the right angle, and I'm going to pull it through 1. And now the other side. 2. Whoops, I missed the angle there. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I'm going to do on the fine. So same idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. But now this is much sharper. I will go ahead and still wipe it down because I might still have a little bit of sharpening dust on it. And I will go ahead and give it a shot. And all I have is a little trashy piece of paper here. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of click and whoa, look at that. Holy smokes. I just tore through about 8 sheets of paper with one little slice. I really didn't mean to do that. It is definitely sharp. I'm going to be careful of my fingers. But that is one sharpened blade. And it only took me, I don't know, a minute or so to kind of sharpen the blade. And I can go ahead and now go across all of my knives here and just go ahead and get this going, run them all through, and then I'm done probably for the next couple weeks. So there you have it. Works pretty well. There are instructions on how to actually use it for a serrated knife. You can only sharpen kind of one side of a serrated knife with the little teeth on it. I haven't tried that yet. I don't have a lot. I have a couple steak knives, but that's about it. Most of the knives I use, other than a bread knife, are all kind of chef's knives. This works really well. I'm actually pretty impressed with it. You don't have to worry about any of those manual stones, like those turny stones or any of those things where you have to get the angle just right and you have to go back and forth and kind of, it's almost like an art form. Not with this. You just plug it in, you go ahead and get the stones going, you pull your knife through. As long as you get the angle right and you pull like nice and cleanly, you'll be great. You will sharpen your knives. Very simple. Great for a home kitchen, great for a semi-professional kitchen. Just kind of sharpen and go. Put the whole thing away. Compact, easy to use, highly recommended.